Okay, so now let's turn this nuclear cooling tower into a Houdini digital asset. So if I middle click on this nuclear cooling tower, here as you can see we have lots of attributes and groups that we don't need. So before the null, let's add a clean sub, connect it here, and onto the clean let's check remove attribute and remove groups. Okay, so now if I middle click, you see now we don't have all of these groups and attributes that we don't need. So now let's select all of our node and click on this subnet icon to make a subnet, and onto the subnet let's click on this gear icon, edit parameter interface, and let's select all of these 4 labels and make them invisible, hit apply, and let's dive inside the subnet. And first let's create a length, so let's rename this to height, and let's add its points. Let's call this one to be height segments, and let's add its Y rotation. So here onto the rotation we only need the rotation Y, so let's select the rotation Y and drag this parameter into here. Now we are only selecting the rotation Y, so let's name this to be rotation segment rotation and hit apply. Okay, and let's go into the sweep node, and here we have the columns and we have the radius, and let's promote the ramp as well. So select the scale ramp and place it here. Okay, and let's see what we can export. So let's hit accept, let's go back. So here we have the length, we have the height segments as well as the rotation and the number of columns, radius, okay, and let's also add the number of these railings, inner railings. So let's add the parameter interface and let's dive inside. So we created the railings here onto this poly extrude node. So these are the division, so let's select them and place them here, hit apply and accept. So let's go back. Okay, so here we have the divisions for the railings. Okay, let's go into the asset and create the new digital asset from selection, and you can name your HDA and hit accept to save out in this location. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this section. Okay,